Your kidneys are one of the most important organs in your body. They work day and night to filter waste, remove toxins, and balance fluids. But poor diet, dehydration, and lifestyle choices can put a strain on them, leading to serious health issues. What if I told you that a simple morning drink could help support your kidneys and promote their recovery? Stay with me as we explore the power of natural ingredients that can detoxify and strengthen your kidneys. Before we dive into the remedy, let's understand how your kidneys function. These bean-shaped organs filter around 50 gallons of blood per day, removing excess fluids and toxins through urine. They also regulate minerals like sodium and potassium and play a key role in blood pressure control. But when we overload our bodies with unhealthy food, excessive salt, and lack of hydration, our kidneys struggle. Over time, this can lead to kidney stones, infections, and even chronic kidney disease. Protect your kidneys by making small, daily changes. Many people don't realize they have kidney problems until the damage is advanced. Here are some early warning signs: fatigue and lack of energy, swelling in the legs or face, frequent urination, especially at night, foamy or discolored urine, lower back pain or discomfort. If you experience these symptoms, don't ignore them. But the good news is that your kidneys have the ability to heal if you give them the right support. This natural morning drink is packed with ingredients that help flush toxins, reduce inflammation, and support kidney health. Here's what you need: 1 glass of warm water, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley or parsley tea, 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, and a pinch of turmeric, optional. Lemon helps alkalize the body and prevent kidney stones. Parsley acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out toxins. Ginger reduces inflammation and supports digestion. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Simply mix these ingredients in warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. Make this part of your daily routine, and your kidneys will thank you. Try this for 2 weeks and see the difference. Apart from this drink, here are some other tips to improve kidney function naturally. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Eat more fruits and vegetables, like berries, apples, and leafy greens. Reduce salt and processed foods, and exercise regularly to improve circulation. Avoid excessive sugar and sodas, too much red meat and high-protein diets, and overuse of painkillers and alcohol. A healthy lifestyle equals healthy kidneys. Many people have seen amazing results by making small changes. One of our viewers, Sarah, struggled with kidney stones for years. After drinking this simple morning remedy and improving her diet, her kidney function improved and her pain disappeared. Try it and share your results in the comments. Your kidneys work hard every day. Now it's time to take care of them. This simple morning drink, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can make a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this information. Let's keep spreading knowledge for a healthier life.